on Binance here. I went to the withdraw page. You can see the URL here. Just have BNB up. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to send this BNB to my Trust wallet. So what I've done here is I've grabbed my Trust wallet address from Trust, and I have it in here. I'm just selecting Binance Chain. I'm going to say send all that good BNB to it. So I'm going to hit submit. I'm going to have to run through this, so just bear with me here while I send the code. Cool, confirm that, submit. Withdraw result, withdraw submit requested. You can see the history here. And that's just going to show that it's processing. And that will take a minute to send that over. You can click this link here too, just on your address. That will bring up the Binance Explorer, so it'll show all of the information for that address. It's not showing anything now. But if you go to transactions, it's going to show that there's a couple that I've made. It's not showing this one yet because it just hasn't gone through yet. But that's it for that part. The rest I'll show you on the phone once it goes through. So now I'm just waiting in Trust on my Trust app on my phone to see it come through. And also in Trust Wallet here, you can see that I received some BNB from the right address. So that went through. That took about, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I think it's busy as well. So now let's jump into Trust Wallet, and the next step, here we go. We have our BNB. Nice. So what I'm going to do is convert this over to the smart chain token. So I just click the little more button, click swap to smart chain. That brings this up here. I'm going to say 100% swap all of my BNB to this smart chain. So I'm going to click swap. Confirm that. So I have to do a little bit less, so I have to take out this amount from mine. So let me just do a little quick maths. So in that case, I'm going to actually send over 0.215. So I'm just taking away the fees that we just saw on that when I clicked it last time. 0.215185. Cool. I'm going to say, whoops. 215185. Swap. Should say it's good. Okay, now I'm able to press send. So I'm going to swap that over. Confirm everything in the app. Swap successfully completed. Okay, cool. So I'm going to click OK. Go back, check my BNB. It should be converted over now to the smart chain. So if you go back to your wallet at the front here, it should be changed over to this one, smart chain. So I'm just going to wait until this comes through. I just confirmed that the BNB got traded over to this smart chain BNB. Again, this is what Pancake swap uses in order to swap for SafeMoon, Safegalaxy, whatever you want from Pancake swap. Nice. So that went through. I can see my funds here. So the next step, I'm just going to click on dApps on the menu in the bottom. dApps are decentralized apps. So these are all apps that we can connect to really easily through the Trust wallet. So you can go down and click Pancake swap. That's just under popular. And in the top right, you can see here, that is our connected to our Trust wallet automatically, which is great since we're in the Trust app here. Okay, cool. So next bit here, I'm going to add the amount that I want to trade over. I'm going to do half of this. So I just did a little bit of, just did half of what my max is, 0.1110.675. And then I'm going to click this, and I'm going to select one of these. So Safegalaxy and SafeMoon there. I'm going to select SafeMoon. Nice. Notice for trading SafeMoon, to trade, it shows that you have to have a spillage set to 12% plus. So I understand. I'm going to say cool and continue, and I'll show you how we can do that. So the spillage is going to, I already set that here. So slippage tolerance 11.5, but you just click on the little cog there, and I'm just going to change this to 12. Beauty. And it shows here slippage tolerance. Nice. Cool. So now I'm ready to go. I have that set up here, the BNB balance, and it's going to give me this many moons, or SafeMoon. Beautiful. Okay, let's do it. So I'm going to click swap. It shows a little confirmation, price updated, accept, confirm swap. Cool, it'll tell me exactly what it's going to cost. Everything should be good to go there. Beautiful, approve. There we go, transaction submitted. And then if you click on this view on BSC scan, that will bring up in the browser the transfer. So this could take a few minutes, but once this goes through, then you will have it in your Trust wallet. It might not show up right away, so in the next video I'll show you how to do that. But you can see the status is pending. So I'm back here in our Trust wallet, and now I don't see the SafeMoon or Safegalaxy that I bought. So how do we do that? Cool, so you click on the top right, those little cogs there, and this shows just all the coins that you want it to show. I think we could just type in safe, and there's SafeMoon, and yeah, so I'm going to click that little indicator to show that. I'm going to also bring Galaxy in. That should show up here too, just like that, boom. And if this doesn't work for the Galaxy or Moon, then you can do this. You can click that Add Custom Token button, which just shows up at the bottom of this here. Click Add Custom Token, and then you'd paste in the contract address, which you can get off of, just look up like SafeMoon contract address, paste that in there. It should spit out the name, symbol, and decimals for you, and then you'd click Done to add that in. But the big one with that, you'd have to change the asset type to Smart Chain. So it'd be Smart Chain, then I paste in the contract address for whatever the coin is. You can Google that, and it'll implement these, put those in there, and then click Done. But so now I have SafeMoon and Safegalaxy shown here. I'm just going to go back to my wallet, and nice, we can see the SafeMoon showing and Safegalaxy. Safegalaxy is kind of scuffed right now because it's such a new coin. It's not actually properly used or like properly able to show on this yet. So that will come in time, but as I'm recording this, we can see the SafeMoon number and the value of that, and we can also see Safegalaxy, the amount that you own.